Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a program using Perl as our programming language to solve the area of the circle. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials. So let's get started. We are here on a Sublime text editor, the text editor that I'm using. The first thing that I will do is to write a comment, area underscore circle. Sorry, this is the file name, no, of our program, area underscore circle dot pl. Next, we have here print to new line. Then we have here the title, print horizontal tab, title, area of the circle solver in Perl, semicolon. On the top here, we have here the value of the pi, no, $pi. Let's say for example 3.1416, and then here we'll copy this one to new line, and then print horizontal tab, enter radius value. It will prompt the user to ask the radius value of the circle, and then for the input, chomp dollar radius equals less than equal semicolon, and then we have your assignment statement, area equals $pi, that is our constant pi of the circle, multiply by $radius, multiply $radius semicolon, and then for display equals is print f. So we are using this command to display two decimal places, $area next print f print the area of the circle is, we will call the variable $display to display the result. And program. Okay, now before we run the program, we will save, no? Control S, area underscore circle .pl, click the save button. Now here, let me explain. We have here the comment, $pi, this is the constant or pi of the circle, title of our program Then we have here a command to accept input from the user, the radius of the circle, and the radius of the circle value. And then we have here computation. This command is for 2 decimal places, and then we will display the result. Save. Let us go in the command prompt, cmd cd perl. Okay, so to execute a program, we simply issue command perl area underscore circle .pl. Press enter key. Let's say for example we give them area of the circle 10. Okay, so we have some correction. Again, let us run again the code. Area of the circle solver in Perl, enter radius value, let's say 10. So the area of the circle is 314.16. So we got the right result already. So before we end, I hope that you have learned something new in this video tutorial on how to create a program to solve the area of the circle using Perl. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, leave and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, guys. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Philippines. Says bye bye for now.